Welcome to this tutorial on KFF State Health Facts, providing free, up-to-date, and easy-to-use health data for all 50 states, the District of Columbia, and the United States. My name is Yeun Jung. I designed this tutorial for researchers and health policy analysts who need reliable and compatible data across states. After viewing this tutorial, you should be able to locate a specific health indicator within KFF State Health Facts, compare health data across multiple states, and construct a custom state report to compile indicators for use in a research project or policy brief. Let's get started. State Health Facts is a project of KFF that comprises more than 800 health indicators and enables users to map, rank, trend, and download data. Data come from a variety of public and private resources, including KFF reports, public websites, governance surveys and reports, and private organizations. You can see a list of topic categories here on the homepage. Each category groups related indicators together. It includes the Affordable Care Act, demographics and the economy, health coverage and uninsured, and health status. For example, the health status category include data on birth, death, various illness and disease, and physical activity levels. This structure makes it easy to move from a broad policy area to a specific data point. Before relying on any data resource, it's worth asking where the numbers actually come from. On State Health Facts, every indicator page includes a source citation at the bottom, and those sources draw from a mix of public and private data, including CDC Vital Statistics Report, federal government surveys, and KFF own original research. For example, in the health status category, find the births and click the total number of births. Then we can see the number of births by location along with the data sources. These statistics are coming from the KFF analysis of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, National Center for Health Statistics. If you'd like to know more about the data, click the link here. Let's walk through a real example. Suppose I want to compare the percentage of uninsured adults age 19 or older across a few states. I start from the home page and select the health coverage and uninsured category. From here, I can scroll to the first category, health insurance status, and click the health insurance coverage of adults age 19 or older. Once I click into it, the site offers three ways. First, the table view lists exact figures for every state side by side. Second, the map view shades each state by value. Lastly, the trend graph shows how a single state value has changed over multiple years. In any of these three views, you can refine the result further by adjusting the time frame, switching between percentage or number, selecting a specific distribution, and choosing which state to include, so you can narrow the data down to exactly what your project needs. Now, suppose I don't just want one indicator. I want several indicators compiled into a single document I can save or share. That's what the custom state report tool is for. From the homepage, click the Start Your Report here. You can see the step 1 select indicators here. For this tutorial, as the first indicator, I will select the health coverage tab, uninsured people ages 0 to 64, uninsured rates, and uninsured rates for people ages 0 to 64 by age. As the second indicator, I will select the mental health and substance use tab and click the mental illness and adults with any mental illness and adults with serious mental illness in the past year. After choosing the indicators you'd like to select, then click the Step 2 Select State. In step 2, I will select the Florida here. And then click the step 3, which is generate report. Once we've made selections, the tool compiles everything into a single report. This saves a significant amount of time compared to visiting each indicator page individually. To recap, KFF State Health Facts is a free resource offering more than 800 state-level health indicators. Each data are sourced from credible public and private resources, and using the map, table, and trend graph along with the custom state report tool, you can quickly find, compare, and export the exact data you need for your research or policy work. Thanks for watching, and that's it for today's tutorial. I hope this tutorial has been helpful.